What's up, guys? Harrington Hair here. Happy Fursuit Fridays. After the madness of Black Friday, we're continuing our Fandom Around the World series. And we're headed south to the colorful lands of Brazil. So, sit back, relax, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, and let's get right on into it. Check me out on these social media platforms. Brazil is a big country overflowing with abundant life and vitality, and it would follow that its furry community is just as lively and dynamic. That's why this week we are lucky to have our special guest, Brazilian furry YouTuber Rup Ninja, who's here to tell us what makes the fandom in his homeland so special.
Hello, I am Emmy or Emerson. I am the owner of the YouTube channel Rup Ninja Trash, and I am here to talk about the Brazilian furry fandom. To talk about it, I'm gonna answer a few questions. So let's go. The first question is, how did I get into the furry fandom? And well, the answer is that I got my first mobile phone in 2013. It was my first electronic device that was not a video game, so I installed Instagram and I created an account in it. And I was really into Sonic the Hedgehog at the time. So I was just scrolling around the Sonic the Hedgehog hashtag when I found this really cool drawing of Dark Spine Sonic. It's Sonic's form from Sonic and the Secret Rings. And well, I really enjoyed that game at the time, so I was double like, oh, this is such a cool drawing, oh, this is such a cool Sonic form from a cool Sonic game, and I went to check out the artist's profile, and she was a furry. She had a fursuit, she drew a lot of furries, and she also drew a lot of Sonic. The artist was Lightning Star 1389. Here is a shout out to her, she's really good, but well, I just looked at it and I was like, oh my god, this is so cool. These are the animals that I have drawn all my childhood, because when I was a little boy, I used to just look at my pet cats, and I would make anthropomorphic versions of them, and they would be like, oh, the hero that saved the day. So it was just like, oh, there are more people that draw these animals like I do. So I followed her for the Sonic, for the art, and because of the animals. And we became very good friends. We still talk to this day. It's very good. And since then, I remember that I just started seeing her posting about furry and fursuit, because I remember seeing these terms. And I just started looking up, these things of, oh, furry, oh, fursuit. And I started watching just a bunch of YouTube videos of fursuiters. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how I got into the fandom. But I only became active and created a persona in the end of 2015, beginning of 2016, because from 2013 to 2014, I was already a furry, but I was more to the DeviantArt, feral wolf drawing community and the Sonic fandom. So yeah, that's pretty much how I got into the fandom. Well, the second question is, what is something unique about the Brazilian furry community? And well, I'm gonna say two things that I find to be really cool and pretty unique about it. Because since it's a quite small community, I'd say that it's like a small town where everyone knows everyone. So it's not really hard to make friends, at least for me, because it's like, oh, you make friends with someone and they are friends with this person, so you become friends with this person that becomes friends with another person. You just become very friendly with everyone. People are quite nice here. And something else that I find to be really unique is that a few people like to choose native animals to be their personas or characters. Like myself, I choose the three-banded armadillo, which is native to Brazil, because I just wanted to have a more unique persona. I wanted different species and all that stuff. And I don't regret the choice. I find it to be really cool to be able to be a native animal. So I have seen other people just put parts of their culture into their art. So I think that's also something really unique to Brazil, that we can just have the Brazilian culture in our furry art. The third question is to say a few furry conventions that happen here. And I'm gonna talk about the two biggest ones, which are Brazil Fur Fest and Furboliche. The Brazil Fur Fest one is a con that is more of a traditional one because it lasts 3 days and it happens in Santos in a hotel. It's pretty fun. It looks pretty fun because I never went to it, but yeah. And the other big one, the Furboliche one, is a con that lasts only an afternoon, like a huge furry meetup, that has bowling, that has Versus Parade, that has raffles, so you can buy stuff. It's really fun. I went there this year, my first furry convention. So, but yeah, and the thing that I said earlier about everyone knowing everyone is that when you go to these events, you know everyone there. So it's really cool because, oh, I know you, let's take a picture. Oh, I know you, let's hang out. It's pretty cool. And now to the last question, which is, what are my social media? Well, I have my YouTube channel, which is Rup Ninja for the English audiences, and Rup Ninja Trash, which is for the Brazilian, Portuguese, or whoever else speaks Portuguese audience. I also have Twitter, Instagram, I have Amino, and my name in all these places are either Rup Ninja or Rup Ninja underline Trash or Rup Ninja Trash altogether. It's just some variation of Rup Ninja. So it's pretty easy to find me around once you know my name. So I hope this helped, and it was pretty fun to film. And yeah, that's it. See ya!
I'll post links to their content down in the description below, so make sure and check him out. I love that he chose a species that's native to Brazil, the three-banded armadillo. It's awesome that we can put a bit of our home into our characters. I love to see that. And he's also a fellow Sonic fan. Yeah! Thank you so much for helping out with this week's video, Rup Ninja. I really do appreciate it. And thanks again to my awesome patrons, Sobu, Hasy, and Sashafennec. You guys rock! Next week is December 9th. It's my birthday. And so instead of doing a normal video, what I'm going to be doing is streaming all day on Twitch December 9th. We're going to be hanging out all day, so if you want to come say happy birthday, then check me out on Twitch this Wednesday. I'll put a link for my Twitch profile down in the description below. Also, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want to support my content, and check out my Patreon if you want to be super awesome. You get videos early and a shout out in the video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.